Guys, this is Rahul, DevOps engineer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use inbuilt images which are available in Docker Hub repository, how to search a particular image or how to search required image in Docker Hub, and then how to pull that image in our local machine, and then after how to create a container from that image, right? So in my previous video, I demonstrated how to create a container from Docker file, right? How to write a Docker file, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use inbuilt images which are already available in the Docker Hub, right? How to search image and then how to download that image and then how to create a container. Okay, so in this diagram you see this is a Docker Hub, right? From the Docker Hub we will pull a required image which fulfill our need, and then from that image when it comes to our local desktop, our desktop or PC, how to use that image to create a container. Okay, let's go to our lab. Okay, so first I will show you how to install Docker on your machine. Okay, yum uninstall Docker. This is the command that you can use. So you should have a valid subscription, right? Just press yes. So it is installing all the Docker dependencies and software. So this is very first step. If it is already installed, then no need to reinstall it. You can simply go to the next step. Okay. So meanwhile, let me type the next step. So the next step would be to search an image. Let's say RHL9. So the command is docker, then the search keyword, and then the image name which we want to use. Okay, and then once we get the desired image, we have to pull that image. Docker pull, and then the image name. Okay, so once that image is available, then the same command we will use to create container. Docker container create hyphen it hyphen name. Let's say Rahul hyphen host name. Let's say Ignis, and then the image name or id. Okay, and then to start container, docker start container name. So let's do this in our lab. So we already have installed Docker. Now the first command to search an image is docker search rhl9. Let's say we are okay, search search. So it gives us already inbuilt Docker images, RHL images with various softwares, and like this one is installed with Python. Okay, so let's go with this image. Okay, so Docker to download this image on your local machine, pull command docker pull this the image name. Okay, so now the image has been downloaded. We can see Docker images. Okay, so this is the command to show you the um, images available on your local machine. So this is the image ID and this is the image name, right? Now the same command we'll use to create the container. Docker Now it is same step which we did in the previous videos. Docker container create hyphen I hyphen T, T for terminal, hyphen for interactive, and then hyphen name. Let's say Rahul hyphen host name. It's a virtual machine we are going to create, so we should give a host name like Ignis we can give, and the image ID. Okay, now we'll see whether the container is, yeah, it's showing a status showing. This is the name, this is the container ID. Okay, and this is the name, and this is the status. So now we can start the container. Okay, start. Yes, let's see. Container is started. Now let's go inside this container. Some command is hyphen it, exec hyphen it, and then the container name, and then shell. Okay, so we are inside the container. Now if you do the uname hyphen a, right, so it shows 8.10 because this uname hyphen a shows the base machine on which machine I have created this container, its kernel version, right? To see the container's kernel version, we have to go to etc, and then you have to see the Reddit release and OS release. Okay, so this is 9.3. Okay, so our container is 9.3, which is running on 8.10 base machine. Okay, so now let me go back. So I hope you are confident enough now to create how to use inbuilt Docker images, right? So the command is just docker search, yeah, search, right? And then the image name, let's say RHUL8. So you will see the images, right? You can now pull that image on your local machine, and then you can create a container. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you.